Hi, this is attorney Jim Bendell, and I want to talk to you today about the Idaho law concerning dog bites and the damages that can be awarded for serious dog bites. Now, the law generally presumes that a dog is not vicious. That's the presumption under the law. So Idaho, like most states, has a rule that says unless the owner knew or should have known that the dog had a propensity for viciousness, the dog owner is not liable for injuries. The old saying in law school is every dog gets his first bite. Once the dog is shown to be vicious, then the owner is liable for any subsequent bites or damage done by the dog. The exception to this is if the dog is in a place where he does not belong. So, for example, if the dog wanders from the owner's yard into your yard and bites your child or bites you, then there can be liability without a prior showing of viciousness. Now, the damages that can be awarded from a dog bite all depend upon the injuries. Fortunately, most injuries are minor. A person gets a snip on the ankle, maybe goes to the doctor, gets a few stitches, and they could sue, but the damages probably would not warrant the cost of a lawsuit. Unfortunately, a lot of the dog bite severe injuries involve bites to children in the facial area, because when you think about it, a child is at about that height of where the dog is. And some dogs, like a pit bull or a German shepherd, who is for some reason enraged or feels threatened by a child, can do extreme damage, causing terrible scarring. These cases are very large verdict cases. Some of them go over $1 million because some of these children have permanent scarring on their face. And this isn't just a question of scarring in adulthood, but they're also picked on and laughed at when they're in school. And so these are very serious cases, could affect their ability to get a job, may impact their ability to find a husband or a wife or lead a normal life. Another damage item involved in dog bite cases could be post-traumatic stress disorder. Now, post-traumatic stress disorder usually is a type of symptoms demonstrated at least 6 months as analyzed by a psychiatrist or psychologist. And this PTSD can be sustained by children and adults. And as a result, the victim may relive the incident in their mind constantly over and over again. They may dream about the incident over and over again. The person with PTSD may develop a hypersensitivity to even the sight of a dog, even a little dog, and it could send them into heart palpitations and other symptoms of anxiety and stress. And they may become easily aroused emotionally at the sight of a dog. So a person who's been bitten seriously by a dog and who has developed PTSD could be entitled to large damages, certainly into the 5 or 6 figure number, even potentially higher.